Hello, everyone. Today, I'll show you how to create and execute your very first test case in Muffins. This tool supports both manual and automated test cases, making it ideal for all your testing needs. Let's jump in and get started. To begin, navigate to the Design tab, where we'll create folders to organize our test cases. Start by creating one named Automated Test Cases. If you're also working with manual tests, create another folder called Manual Test Cases. Organizing your workspace from the beginning helps you focus on testing and saves time later. Next, within your folder, create a test scenario to group related test cases. For instance, name it Login Scenarios. Structuring your work this way ensures clarity and helps you manage your tests efficiently. Now, let's generate your first test case. Click on Generate Test Case, and a browser window will open, allowing you to use the system while Muffins automatically generates test steps in the background. Unlike traditional recording, Muffins creates steps effortlessly as you interact with the system, so you can focus entirely on your workflow without distractions. Begin recording your test steps. For example, to create a login test case, enter a username in the respective field, type a password, click the Login button. As you perform these actions, Muffins will automatically record each step. You'll also notice that objects are highlighted as you interact with them, ensuring precise capture. To confirm the test case's accuracy, include a verification step. For instance, after logging in, verify that the text Swag Labs appears on the dashboard. Select the element, and Muffins will add a verification step to your test flow. Once your steps and verification are complete, stop the recording and save your test case with a meaningful name, like Logan Smoke Test. Clear naming conventions help identify test cases at a glance. Muffins also features a collapsible panel that ensures you're not distracted while interacting with the application. A shortcut view at the right of the screen lets you check the current captured step if needed, while keeping your focus on completing the workflow. This design eliminates cognitive load and lets you seamlessly create tests as part of your natural interaction. If you need to record more test cases, you can continue seamlessly. For example, let's create a purchase flow test case. Add items to the cart, for example, a Sauce Labs bike light, and now proceed to checkout. Enter customer details like first name, last name, and postal code. Complete the purchase. And don't forget to add a verification step just to ensure your workflow is complete. You might be wondering why some of the steps are being labeled differently. Well, Muffins uses AI to detect the nearest label based on proximity. Let's go ahead and rename these labels so we can have better clarity about the items it's interacting with. Save this as purchase smoke test when done. With your test cases ready, head to the Execute tab. Start by creating a test suite where you'll group test cases for execution. Name it something like First Test Cases Execution and add the relevant test cases. When ready to execute, select the suite and choose your preferred browser, Chrome or Edge. You also have the option to execute on local machines, a CI/CD pipeline, or even another configured system. For this demo, we'll execute the suite in Chrome and name the test run First Test Run. Once configured, click Run to start execution. After execution, go to the Executed Run section to review the results. Here you can see details such as the time the test was executed, the duration of the execution, step-by-step results for each test case. If any steps failed, you'll see a failure status, which you can troubleshoot directly from this section. Reports can also be downloaded for documentation or further analysis. And there you have it. You've successfully created and executed your first test case in Muffins. With its easy-to-use interface and robust features, Muffins simplifies the testing process. Thank you for joining me, and happy testing!